Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to sell a course on Gumroad. First you should be logged into your Gumroad account, then click on Dashboard. After that click on Products and click on New Product. Select a course or tutorial, enter the course name and its price. After that click on Next. From this page you can enter the course description, edit a custom URL and upload the cover and the thumbnail. After that, you should add a call to action button. I want to add by this. It will appear right here on your page. After that, you can add more details and click on save and continue. You can also add versions and play with the settings. Click on save and continue, and here you should upload the videos of your course, the content you wanna sell on Gumroad. Click on this icon and click on computer files to upload the course videos. I have successfully uploaded this video to be available for buyers when they get this course. I click then on publish and continue. And yeah, your course has been published successfully on Gumroad, and it is available for everyone. You can copy its link and share it to your fan base or friends so they can buy this course. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.